Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce report generation time with Tableau, full guide step by step clearly. To reduce report generation time with Tableau, start by optimizing your data source. Begin by connecting to a more efficient database. Ensure your data is clean and well structured before importing it into Tableau. Use extracts instead of live connections when possible. Extracts significantly improve performance by reducing the load on the database. Schedule your extracts to refresh during off-peak hours. Next, limit the amount of data imported into Tableau. Filter your data to include only what is necessary for your reports. Utilize aggregations to summarize data and reduce volume. This not only speeds up load times but also simplifies analysis. When building your visualizations, avoid using too many complex calculations. Stick to basic calculations where possible to enhance processing speed. Make use of Tableau's built-in analytical features effectively. Utilize the Show Me panel to choose optimal visualization types quickly. Consider creating dashboard actions instead of complex filters to enhance interactivity. Reducing the number of marks in your visualizations can also help. Limit the number of data points in your charts to improve responsiveness. Always use the right chart types for your data context. Keep in mind that not all visuals lend themselves to large volumes of data. For large datasets, consider using summary tables instead of detailed charts. Implementing a well-organized layout can further enhance performance. Prioritize your most important metrics at the top of your dashboards. Use container elements to manage how views are displayed on dashboards. Regularly monitor your workbook's performance in the Performance Recorder. This tool helps identify bottlenecks in report generation. Make necessary adjustments based on the performance insights gained. Lastly, keep your Tableau software updated to leverage the latest performance improvements. Regularly review your reports and dashboards for any inefficiencies. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.